Online, let's take a look at the post from 1 month ago until now. Let's go. Wait, it's all 1 month. How long did I do the video game marathon? What the ho. Oh no, wait. Wait, it's all one. Just ended up with 2 months ago, so we go for 1 month. Are you ready? My god! The Loud House has officially won by 57% and I have 43%. Oh my god. So Loud House it is, that guy man. I will give you 100 billion pesos to those who have won the challenge. Ha. Good. Woman and class hour. Joke marathon weekend. Was also 6 after that time. Okay. I'm going to skip you that Musume. Like yo. Okay. Bedroom is not safe. Don't stay down the side to see on the 24/7. You know that they comment. Girls in the verse of my house. That's it. The picture of video from another finish time. Sarah pop up. I think all of them. Oh fuck. No singing today. Jesus those reply. Wow. Okay, so 50-50. Should I get 1,000? Yes or no? And then I just get 50-50. What the fuck is going on? Come on, knock on my boss. You're warming my rivals. Yes. My boss means friend. Spicy no dance. What the f... So there's a 50-50. If there's a chance na mag-TikTok cam no go na pang sunod ka ha. 26 until the quarter away. We're done already. We reach 1,000. Yes, we will celebrate. We reach 1,000 subs. Yes, we will celebrate. Knowing you will die. What the fuck is 7%? What? Guys, you both knowing you'll die the most. Bahala ka man akong ko. When is always the video ko marathon? Di mata na sa imo, weekends na nakabaha. Look, Monday, babae, Tuesday, Prince, Wednesday, wala, Thursday, sorry, Friday, all of you, weekends, all of you, weekdays, no. Wednesday, singing guys at 9, what time is the end? 1 p.m. And you just comment, nope, it's 11 a.m. Listen, okay, I'm not going to say what the fuck. Turn the fun house and forward chase one example couple can you turn that says in your house at the house. It says 8 but some of you saying 11. It's 9. What? Facebook is cooking Filipino singers at all. Which app is considered Facebook? Facebook had a lot of singing people in Calbayog City, Philippines. Okay, no joke, this is in the Philippines. Welcome to Prince House, it's time na let's do a video. Okay, so what time will they end? 1! Kaulit mo, gago ka! Ito na sa house before much that in the thanks guys. Then just mentioned Kobo Kanairo and Kobo just didn't reply to me. Into your Kobo Kanairo, it's just so much. You know what I'm so Kobo Kanairo. I'm going to do a part 2 guys, why? All of you didn't comment on my post.